All right, Chase here with GlueTread. GlueTread has the first patented sidewall repair option. So what you can see here is this is our sidewall bond. These are our patches we use to put on the sidewall of the tire. You can see that is turned into one piece of rubber there. Coming over the tire here, now this patch has been on here. This was put on this morning. This patch has 10,000 miles on it. These patches have anywhere between 2,000 and 4,000 miles. So these have been running for a long time, right? This is marketed as a product to get you off the trail. If you have any sort of sidewall damage, sidewall puncture, slice, and you see that there. And then people wanted a complete kit. They wanted an option where you could not only fix the sidewall with the sidewall patch that we have, but an option with a valve stem repair and plug for any of the tread area. So what we did was we came out with these T-handles. Everything here, as you see, made in the USA, like our entire kits. Patches are in Ohio. These T-handles and tools are done in Montana. CNC aluminum, and then your safety seal plugs that you're used to seeing. All of that in our complete kit. You'll find our full-size kit with the red Jeep on it. That's the sidewall repair only. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it on our website. If you guys need any more information, you can check us out at www.gluetread.com.